Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning, respected lecturer Encik Muhammad Zahaili binti. And my name is Syafiqah Alia binti Muhammad Siddiq. Today, I'm excited to present my project for LN 253 titled My Project, My Principles Applying Theory to Design. In this design journey, my goal is to bridge the gap between abstract urban theories and concrete design interventions. We will look at how theoretical frameworks can guide us to solve real-world spatial problems. Specifically, I will showcase how we can breathe new life into an iconic Malaysian urban fabric by applying strategic spatial design principles. Let's move into our site context. Our intervention area is located within the historic heart of Ipoh Old Town. This proposal titled Pulse of Place focuses heavily on enhancing the existing urban streetscape and the natural riverfront corridor. Ipoh Old Town is rich with history, but its public spaces need better integration to serve modern communities. Our core design proposal connects cultural landmarks, active commercial zones, and public open spaces. While doing this, we maximize pedestrian comfort and accessibility. To guide this vision, I established 4 primary design objectives. First, improve pedestrian connectivity across fragmented zones. Second, revitalize Memory Lane as a thriving heritage corridor. Third, enhance the riverfront experience. And fourth, promote local culture through targeted public realm improvements. As you can see on the master layout, the design separates the site into a clear thematic zones. We have a cultural and heritage corridor, a long memory lane featuring interactive art installation, and a QR-enabled memorial wall. Adjacent to the water, we introduce a passive picnic area for families, transitioning into an active recreation area equipped for jogging and cycling. Now, let us move to design issues and theoretical solutions. At our site challenges, we address 3 main issues using urban design theories. First, we tackle our underutilized riverfront. Right now, the river acts as only a visual backdrop. Following Matthew Carmenow's principle, we fully activate its social and functional dimensions by adding viewing decks and picnic areas that invite public interaction. Second, we fix poor pedestrian connectivity. Where existing pathways are highly fragmented, we apply Carmenow's movement dimension by installing cohesive pavement, street furniture, and uniform lighting to create a safe, continuous, and highly walkable urban environment. Finally, we address our lack of identity Ipoh Old Town. By applying Cavendish's theory of imageability studies, we introduce heritage-appropriate murals, traditional paving patterns, and interactive QR memory walls. This elevates the site's visual character, transforms paths into district landmarks, and proudly preserve local culture and for the community. Next, let me review. The next is sustainable and ethical integration. My design aligns directly with 2 United Nations Sustainable and Development Goals. First, we support SDG 13, which is climate actions. The proposal incorporates climate-responsive landscape strategies like bioswales, extensive tree planting, and green pergolas. This reduces the urban heat island effect and improves storm water management. Also, they help the site adapt to increasing temperatures and heavy rainfall caused by climate change. Second, we support SDG 11, which is Sustainable Cities and Communities. The design creates a safe, inclusive, and resilient public space. We achieve this through smart lighting, smart poles, and highly accessible pedestrian pathways. These elements improve security, reduce the environmental risk, and encourage people of all ages and abilities to use the space confidently. Please look at my nature-based solutions in the cross-section diagram. Look at the bioswale running next to the parking area. It is designed to capture and filter stormwater runoff from pavement and roads before it reached the river. Vegetation and engineered soil naturally remove sediments and pollutants. This reduces surface runoff, minimize flash flood, and improve river water quality. Look at the green pergola over the walkway. It is covered with climbing vegetation that provides continuous shade along pedestrian roads. It reduces direct sunlight, improves thermal comfort, and creates a pleasant environment for walking, resting, and social interaction. The plants cool the air through evapotranspiration. Lastly, interlocking green paving shown in the plain view that enhance climate resilience by allowing rainwater to infiltrate naturally into the ground. It stops water from flowing rapidly into the drainage system. This minimizes localized flooding and helps recharge groundwater tables. The vegetated surface absorb less heat than conventional concrete or asphalt, reducing surface temperatures. To conclude, let us look at the conclusion. The Pearls of Place proposal reflects the true role of landscape architecture in creating sustainable cities. It shows that urban spaces can be environmentally responsible, socially inclusive, and economically vibrant at all the same time. Every single design element has been carefully considered. We improve ecological health, strengthen climate resilience, and enhance the user experience. Our green infrastructure reduce flooding and urban heat, meanwhile our pedestrian-friendly spaces encourage healthy lifestyle and stronger community connections. The integration of heritage, ecology, and innovation proves a key point. Successful public spaces can preserve local identity while responding directly to the future environmental challenges. More than a design drawing, this proposal offers a practical and sustainable vision for a resilient urban riverfront in Ipoh Old Town. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I am now very happy to open the floor to any question or feedback from Encik Zuhairi. Thank you.